Good morning, this Wednesday, the 26th of October. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, Wall Street extended its advance overnight, closing higher for the third consecutive day. The Dow gained 1.1% or 337 points. The S&P 500 advanced 1.6% and the Nasdaq advanced 2.2% ahead of earnings releases from some big tech names. After the closing bell, both Microsoft and Alphabet reported earnings that fell short of expectations. And later in the week, Amazon, Apple, and Meta platforms will report earnings. Also, a decline in bond yields contributed to the latest gains as the yield on the 10-year Treasury note was down about 15 basis points. European equities also had a positive run. Tech stocks were up 4%, while oil and gas stocks and bank stocks were the only sectors to end the session in negative territory. The Stoxx 600 closed 1.4% higher. Locally today, the SPI futures are suggesting the Australian market will rise 0.82% at the open this morning. And last night, the government handed down the federal budget. Some of the winners included new parents and families with increased parental leave and reduced cost of childcare. Also, battery, hydrogen, fuel cell and plug-in hybrid cars are to be exempted from taxes if their retail price is below the luxury car tax threshold. So this may have an impact on battery-making lithium stocks. 1 million new homes will also be built over 5 years from 2024, so stocks such as Lendlease, LLC, may benefit from this. On the downside, however, power costs are to rise by 20% this year and 30% next year. Also, food crop losses and distribution to milk supplies due to the floods are expected to add 0.1% to inflation in December and March quarters. Generally though, the budget doesn't have a big influence over market movements. Moving on to commodities now, the oil price is trading higher, just under $85 per barrel. Gold is also in the green, trading just under $1,653 per ounce, and iron ore has regained 1%, now $95.50 per ton. And in economic data today, the inflation rate for the third quarter is set to be released at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Time, expected to rise from 6.1 to 6.5%. And keep watch of the following companies that are set to release a quarterly report today. These include Coles COL, Iluka Resources ILU, Mirvac Group, that's MGR, Mineral Resources MIN, and Westfield URW. And looking at some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintain a speculative buy rating on PointsBet Holdings, PBH, and have lowered their valuation from $5.25 to $4.50. At its current share price of $2.03, this implies over 100% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in News Corp NWS, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $26.74 to the range of $22.20 to $23 over 17 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.